Friends, Divya Dawlat here, back again with a different traditional recipe with wood apple. It's been long time, so I thought let me post some traditional recipe. Many of us would have eaten wood apple directly or as a juice format or some sweet, etc. But this is something like a digestive thing, I could say that. So it is spicy, tangy, sweetish wood apple or BeladaHannu as we call. So here we go with the ingredients and the process. I'll go step by step. Stay tuned. This is wood apple and you can break it out, and this is the inner portion. Now let's see the rest of the ingredients. I've taken out all the pulp and I've kept it ready. Added some salt according to our taste and some green chilies. This is also known as BeladaHannu in Karnataka. And I further added some jaggery. So as I said, this is katta meeta. This is my version. Maybe each one have their own versions, so you can add whatever you like. Like if you want it to be more spicy, more tangy, or more sweetish, that's up to you. So I want it like tangy and sweet and spicy, so I'm adding in my own variation. You can definitely add according to your variations. I have dry roasted some black pepper and little bit of cumin seeds, jeera, and then coarsely grinded it. So I've added those things. We are done. I have mixed all the ingredients with the wood apple pulp, and you can see how it looks. This you can store for at least a week or so inside the fridge, airtight box, and daily have little. It's good for digestion, as well as your mouth will have this taste of your tangy, sweetish. It's really yum with wood apple. So see you then. Bye bye. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. After a long time I'm back with some different recipe, but these are all the old traditional recipes. So if you have anything, you guys also can share on your comment box. This is my version. You are welcome to share your version too. So try this out. It's even good for cleansing your stomach also. And sometimes you feel like eating something spicy and tangy. So this is a very good option when you have your BeladaHannu or else your wood apple. Bye bye.